John, who had previously recovered from a UTI with the help of TelMDCare, found himself struggling with a persistent cough and breathlessness one winter. Remembering his positive experience, he turned to TelMDCare once again. Through an online consultation, the doctor explained that respiratory infections are often transmitted through droplets from coughing or sneezing. After a thorough evaluation, John was diagnosed with bronchitis and prescribed antibiotics. Following the customized treatment plan, John's symptoms improved rapidly. Grateful for the efficient and compassionate care, he left another glowing review for TelMDCare, praising their reliable virtual consultations for both his UTI and respiratory infection. Visit us now at telmdcare.com.